What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope all is well. On this video, I'm going to show you how to make an ultra realistic photo using Midjourney. It's really simple to do, and I'm going to leave the prompt that I use in the description so you can recreate this image as well, or something like it. Before I get into this tutorial, make sure you give me a like on this video. It helps the video out a lot. And also subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can get updated on my latest content as it drops. All right, guys, so let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to go over to Midjourney. And how you get there, you go through Discord. I have videos, tutorials on showing you how to maneuver through Midjourney. Midjourney is a AI software that recreates photos using your prompts. Your prompts is whatever you type in. So let's get into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down to message. Now these photos here are people in real time recreating photos. So that's what you see right here. So you're going to go down, you're going to hit / imagine, hit enter, and I'm going to put in the prompt. Now, just to read the prompt to you, it says, this is what I typed out: a professional portrait photography of a 22-year-old mixed race Mexican girl. She is wearing high-end makeup and has long shiny hair. She has pink lipstick. She has a cute smile and flirty, playful eyes. She is in Canggu, Bali, on the beach with palm trees and rocks and water. Sun lighting. The photographer is using a 35mm lens. Illuminated shot by Mario Testino and David LaChapelle. Inspired by James Bidgood and shellac. So you can even put in, like, for example, one of my favorite photographers of all time is Gordon Parks. You can even put in professional photography by Gordon Parks, and it'll recreate a Gordon Park-esque photo. So this is a really, like I said, I can't say much more about this software, man. It's getting better every day. So let's hit enter and see what it gives us. So when you hit enter, it's generating a photo right now, and I will come back once the photo has been generated. So you see here, it generated 4 images for me. So let's take a look at it and see how it looks. Not bad. It looks really realistic, correct? If you show these pictures to someone, they're not going to be able to tell that these are not real people. These images are totally generated by the AI. Totally generated by the AI. And there's really no way you can tell that, again, this is not real. But totally generated by AI, artificial intelligence, and this is what you get. Now let's do another prompt. We're going to change it up. Imagine, hit enter. Now, like I said, these prompts will be in the description so you can recreate these prompts yourself. So I said, an African-American woman with an afro and tattoos and jewelry on her face, a slight smile. A photo is a close-up macro shot with depth of field. She has green eyes and very distinguished look. She's wearing a colorful sweater. So let's hit enter and see what it gives us. On here, and we're just going to scroll down because it's done, and let's see what it looks like here. As you see, it came out pretty decent, pretty awesome images right here. Look at the smile, look at the details of the picture. And guys, this is how you create ultra realistic photos using Midjourney. And like I said, you can use these photos. You could take them to your whatever photo editing software you have, plug it into like Photoshop, and you can switch these features around in the photo. You can cut the image out of the photo. It's so many things that you can do to make it your own image. And you can sell or put it on t-shirts, all types of things. Guys, I hope this tutorial helped. Please give me a like. Please share, also subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can get updated on my latest content as it drops. Guys, I will see you on the next video. Peace.